The Nakii water filter pitcher, BPA-free, FDA-approved, and WQA certified, the Nakii pitcher delivers on a variety of safety concerns. This is one of the best water filter pitchers of 2022. Built for durability and with a sturdy design highlighting a wooden handle, the Nakii lasts for years. The Nakii pitcher uses a carbon filter to catch contaminants like mercury, lead, sediment, and chlorine. Carbon filters are also known to reduce limescale or the hardness of the water. These filters also last for a very long time, around 4 to 6 months with constant use, and up to 150 gallons of water filtration in their lifetime. The price of the Nakii pitcher is reasonable, and the filters are also inexpensive. But the Nakii pitcher falls a little short in the capacity category. The Nakii only holds 7.5 cups, so you'll probably refill this pitcher just a little bit more frequently if you have more than a couple of people using it. Here are the pros. Long filter life of 150 gallons, 98% of chlorine and mercury removed, made of BPA-free material. The only con is that smaller size, only 7.5 cups. Don't forget to check the description box below for more filtration information and exclusive freshness discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video of your favorite products. Thanks for watching. See you next time.